Welcome to Content, Business and Investments in Latvia, run by www.latviland.com. In today's sharing, I would like to introduce the following information. Real estate tax in Latvia. The tax on immovable property is assessed on cadastral value of the object of immovable property tax at the 1st of January of the taxation year. If the object of immovable property tax has been registered in the public information system of immovable property within the taxation year, the tax is assessed on the cadastral value of the tax object at the moment of registration. Section 3, Art. 3 of the Law on Immovable Property Tax. To ensure commensurate increase in tax burden, for land units, their parts, which are located in administrative territories outside cities and the area of which exceeds 3 hectares, and at least one of the set purposes of use is included in the group of purposes of use: agricultural land, forestry land and specially protected natural territories, wherein economic activities are prohibited by the regulatory enactment or land of water bodies, hereinafter, rural land. The immovable property tax until 2025 taxation year is calculated from the special value determined specifically for calculating the tax. The special value is determined as at the 1st of January of the taxation year by comparing the special value of the pre-taxation year with the cadastral value determined on the 1st of January of the taxation year. The special value is equal to the cadastral value if the increase in the cadastral value determined on the 1st of January of the taxation year does not exceed 10% of the special value of the pre-taxation year. The special value is equal to the special value of the pre-taxation year multiplied by the coefficient of 1.1, if the increase in the cadastral value determined on the 1st of January of the taxation year exceeds 10% of the special value of the pre-taxation year. Section 3, Art. 14 of the Law on Immovable Property. The local governments notify the payer or maintenance manager of apartment house of the amount of immovable property tax in the current taxation calendar year by sending to them or persons authorized by them by the 15th of February of the same year the payment order at the indicated address. The time period for sending out tax payment notices for unfarmed agricultural land is the 15th of February of the subsequent taxation year. Section 1, Art. 6 of the Law on Personal Income Tax. The immovable property tax must be paid once in a quarter, no later than on 31st of March, 15 May, the 15th of August, and 15 November, in the amount of 1/4 of the annual amount of the tax. The tax can also be paid in advance once a year. Section 3, Art. 6 of the Law on Personal Income Tax. With the information I have shared with you above, I hope this share is helpful for you in life and business. To see my next videos, please click on the subscribe button below and please share this video with acquaintances if you find it useful to them. If you are planning to invest or do business in Latvia, please contact us via website www.latviland.com or email latviland247@gmail.com. Good luck. See you in our next videos.